So this is our end product. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to see how we can make a simple fire using Unity. So um, I have already created this material called particle fire. If you don't know how to create this, I'm going to right click on your project panel, rather go into create materials, rename this material to what you want, so call it fire or whatever it is you want, and swap this from standard, this shader, change it to particles, and then go into priority additive. So this way you can see it's matching with this, so you can just drag and drop your texture onto that if you want it, but this is going to be available in my description, so you can just download that, so that will not be a problem. So let's get into today's video. First, we are going to go into the main camera, change this from skybox to solid color, and we're going to make this black, or dark rather. And then I'm going to right click on my hierarchy, go into the effects and create a particle system. So it's not very visible for now. We're going to right click on the transform and reset this, then change this to my Y and then drag it on my Z arrow back so we can see the entire screen. Now we can go ahead and start editing this. So I start lifetime, I'm going to leave this duration and looping as is. My start lifetime, I will leave it as 5. The speed is going to be 1, and the start size is going to be 1.5, about there. And then my start color would be a dark orange color, so you can try to find the color fitting for you, or you can just copy this hexadecimal value, no problem with that. And then next we go into our emission rate, so we set this rate up to 20. That looks nice. So let's go into the shape. We leave this as a cone. The angle, we are going to set this to 0. So this should do. And then my radius is going to be something like 0.1. So that will be it for shape. And then next we go into the size over lifetime. Select this. And then we want to use a curve for this. So it's going to be this descending curve. So it starts big and then it ends small. So that's what we'll be using. Rotation over lifetime is going to be, let's set it to something like 50. So that should be okay. Now back into the shape, you can see it's looking okay here, but then it has to be rotated. So we go into the shape now, and then we select this, rotate. So we rotate this flame to a level which it can be actually seen. So I think about there, that should do. So that should be okay. Now for us to see this flame, we need to shrink it down. So let's go into the scale here and set this to 0.5, 0.5. And this also, I will set this to 0.5. We place this down, and you can see it's looking like a fire already. So now for the finishing touch, what we need to do is drag this particle fire onto it. And this is it. So we have our flame. Two. So this is much bolder. 2. So you can see the fire is showing for now. So this is just the simple way which you can make a fire using Unity particle system, and you can see it's glowing, it's already nice. So link for all the available assets would be in my description below. You can download that and make your own fire. And so the reason why this flame has different colors is because I added a couple of it using the gradient in the color over lifetime. So you can go ahead and do that if you feel like, and this should be your end result. And I think that's all for this video. So with that being said, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and more importantly, don't forget to subscribe. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope I see you in my next video.